Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Я многое умею. Часть первая, страница 103, 104, 105. English, Starlight 3. I can do a lot of things. Homework, part number 1, page number 103, 104, 105. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Прочтите текст и скажите «да» или «нет». Scott is 9 years old. He can do karate. My name's Scott and I am 8 years old. I can do a lot of things. I can swim and I can do karate too. Look at me in my car. I can drive really well. Watch me go. Exercise number 4. Now write about yourself. Draw stick pictures. Теперь напишите о себе. Нарисуйте, приклейте картинки. The answer. My name's Nika and I'm 9 years old. I can do a lot of things. I can dance and I can sing too. Look at me in my bike. I can ride a bike really well. Watch me go. Fun time. Did you know giraffes can clean their ears with their tongues? Elephants can't jump. A snail can sleep for 3 days. Some worms can grow to 30 meters long. Find some amazing facts about other animals. Present them to the class. You can use the key phrases amazing animal facts. The answer. Ants never sleep. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Octopus have 3 hearts. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 104, 104. Exercise number 1. What can Sam do? Look and make sentences. Что умеет Сэм? Посмотрите и составьте предложение. He can play the piano. The answer. He can play the piano. He can swim. He can draw. He can ride a horse. He can jump. He can dance. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete the text. Прочтите и дополните текст. The answer. I have got 2 long years. I have got 4 legs and small tail. I am fast and I can hop. I like carrots. What am I? I am a rabbit. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Think of another animal. Write a riddle for your friend. Подумайте о другом животном. Напишите загадку другу. The answer. I have got 4 long legs and a long neck. I'm fast and I can run. I like leaves. What am I? I am giraffe. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 105. Stop it. Exercise number 4. Read and complete the text. Прочтите и дополните текст. The answer. Natalie Smirnova is from Russia. She is only 7 years old, but she can do a lot of things. She can sing and play the piano really well. Natalie can dance too. Her mother can make beautiful clothes and her father can write songs. At the weekend, Natalie likes to sing and dance for her friends and family. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Break the code. Расшифруйте. The answer. What can you do? I can play the piano. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.